Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on our question number 19 of Striver CP Shade and the question name is Helpful Maths. So let's see how helpful it is. Xenia, the beginner mathematician, is a third year student at elementary school. Elementary school में third year student है. She is now learning the additional operation. Okay. The teacher has written down the sum of multiple numbers. ठीक है, बहुत सारे number का sum लिखा हुआ है. People should calculate the sum to make the calculation easier. The sum only contains number 1, 2 and 3. तो उसके अंदर 1, 2, 3 ये numbers होने वाले हैं. Still that isn't enough for Xenia. She is only beginning to count, so she can calculate a sum only if the summand follow in non-increasing order. Non-decreasing, sorry, my bad. Non-decreasing, तो decrease नहीं हो रहे, that means increase हो रहे हैं. तो for example, she can't calculate some 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, but she can calculate some 1 plus 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 3. तो increasing order में दिया तो calculate कर लेगी easily, but वैसे नहीं कर पाएगी. So you have got the sum that was written on the board. Rearrange the summands and print the sum in such a way Xenia can calculate the sum. तो हमें rearrange करना है, in a way print करना है कि she can calculate the sum which would be in the increasing order. So string दी होगी आपको, string के अंदर spaces नहीं होगी, it only contain digits and the character positive. Besides string has the correct sum of numbers 1, 2 and 3. String has it at most 100 characters long. तो ये इनपुट देख लेते हैं. 3 plus 2 plus 1 है and that would be 1 plus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 3 plus 1, 3 1 starting में आ जाएंगे, 2 का 2 रहेगा. So yeah, easy problem. Let's see how to code it out. So this one's from our last video, go check it out if you haven't. And we have given a string. Let's take that string input and just create an array of 3 and give them a value of 0. And what we need to do is we need to traverse on the string, right? So for the string part, if c is equal to 1, increment 0th, else if c is equal to 2, else if c is equal to 3, just increment the second one. ओके 0 1 2 तीनों के ऊपर काउंट आ जाएंगे कितने कितने हैं. एक स्ट्रिंग बना लेते हैं, स्ट्रिंग रिजल्ट राइट empty and let's traverse on the array और हर एक वैल्यू जब तक है while array of I is true is not equal to 0 तब तक के लिए ऐसा करो कि रिजल्ट में ऐड करो, पुश बैक करो एक what is this result में push back करो एक positive and result में push back करो एक character that would be I क्या होगा 0 0 होगा तो 1. I can do that with but what so I plus 1 plus 0th makes sense. and एक इशू है, पहले मैंने वो लिया है वाई सो पहले मैं साइन पुट कर रहा हूँ, देन अगर नंबर होगा तभी लगेगा. so array is equal to this dot sub str starting with 1, remove the first character and in the end just print the string. So let's copy some code and try running it. One time exceed and y so string taken the input this if c equal to this, else if this, else string rest for while array I. Oh my bad, I haven't decremented it. Yeah, sorry. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 running perfectly. Let's try some another input. Perfect. Let's try submitting it. And this is our question number 19. So let's save it. Let's try submitting it. And yeah, boom, passed. So yeah, that's it for today's videos, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, press on the bell notification so for the next video you know when it's gonna upload, and see you in the next one.